Keep your kitchen fresh and smoke-free with compact ventilation that works anywhere. Portable cooking solutions now offer powerful airflow, quiet performance, and easy setup for apartments, RVs, and small kitchens. Best portable range hood options help remove smoke, grease, and cooking odors quickly while saving space and improving air quality during every meal preparation. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BREETEE Compact Fange Hood. The BREETEE Compact Fange Hood is a practical choice for anyone who cooks in a small kitchen, apartment, dorm room, or RV and needs a simple way to manage smoke and cooking odors. Its portable design makes it easy to place directly on the countertop without dealing with complicated installation or ductwork. This model works especially well for indoor grilling, hot pot dinners, and everyday frying tasks where smoke tends to build up quickly. The plug-and-play setup is convenient because you can start using it immediately after connecting the power cord, and the long 70-inch cable provides enough flexibility for different kitchen layouts. One of the standout features is the advanced 5-layer filtration system that combines an aluminum filter, polymer layer, and activated carbon filter to help capture grease and reduce lingering smells. While it is not designed to replace a traditional built-in range hood, it performs surprisingly well for light to medium cooking sessions when positioned close to the stove. The 3-speed settings allow users to control airflow depending on the amount of smoke being produced, which is useful during everything from simmering soups to grilling meat indoors. The built-in LED light is another useful addition because it brightens the cooking area without requiring extra lighting nearby. Number 2. NIXOD Exhaust Fan Hood. The NIXOD Exhaust Fan Hood is designed for people who need a lightweight and compact ventilation solution for small kitchens, RVs, camping trips, and indoor cooking setups. Its space-saving design makes it especially useful for apartments and dormitories, where installing a permanent range hood may not be possible. Despite its small size, the unit offers solid performance for reducing smoke and odors during cooking sessions such as indoor BBQ, hot pot, frying, and grilling. One of the biggest advantages of this portable range hood is the inclusion of 10 activated carbon filters, which help absorb cooking smells and improve indoor air quality over time. The simple one-button operation makes the unit easy for anyone to use without dealing with complicated controls or setup procedures. The adjustable 120-degree air intake angle is another feature that improves convenience because it allows users to direct the airflow toward different pans, pots, or grills depending on the cooking situation. This flexibility helps the fan capture smoke more efficiently in smaller spaces. The lightweight construction also makes the hood easy to carry and store, making it a practical option for travel or temporary cooking areas. Number 3. AMZCHEF Caliber Fan Hood. The AMZCHEF Caliber Fan Hood stands out as a powerful portable ventilation solution designed for people who regularly cook indoors in apartments, RVs, dorm rooms, or compact kitchens. Its second-generation design focuses on improving smoke circulation and filtration while maintaining a small countertop footprint that fits easily into limited spaces. One of the most impressive features is the true air circulation system, with dual carbon filters that help purify smoke before releasing cleaner air back into the room. The 12 CFM airflow performance provides stronger ventilation than many smaller portable units, making it suitable for indoor BBQ sessions, hot pot cooking, stir-frying, and grilling. The adjustable arm design adds another layer of convenience because it can extend upward and tilt to direct airflow exactly where it is needed. This makes it easier to capture smoke rising from taller pots, woks, or tabletop grills. The 4-speed fan settings also provide greater control compared to standard 3-speed models, allowing users to match airflow intensity with different cooking tasks. The modern LED ring light improves visibility over the cooking area and adds a sleek appearance that complements modern kitchens. Number 4. AirHood Charcoal Range Hood.
The AirHood Charcoal Range Hood is a premium portable ventilation system created for people who need an effective smoke and odor solution in kitchens without built-in exhaust fans. Its compact and modern design makes it particularly useful for apartments, dormitories, RVs, and indoor grilling setups where traditional range hoods are not practical. One of the strongest features of this model is its dual filter technology that combines a durable stainless steel oil filter with activated charcoal filters for improved smoke and grease capture. The charcoal filters are designed to provide up to 500 hours of odor absorption, helping maintain fresher indoor air during cooking sessions. This feature works especially well for smoky cooking styles such as Korean BBQ, Japanese tabletop grilling, hot pot, and frying. The 3-speed fan system offers adjustable airflow ranging from 3,100 to 5,000 RPM, giving users the flexibility to choose lighter or stronger ventilation depending on the cooking task. The plug-and-play operation makes setup quick and convenient without requiring complicated installation or venting systems.
Number 5. Airthereal Upgraded Fange Hood. The Airthereal Upgraded Fange Hood offers a convenient cordless solution for people who want portable kitchen ventilation without depending on a constant power outlet. Its rechargeable design makes it stand out from many countertop range hoods because it can operate almost anywhere, including kitchens, RVs, camping setups, dorm rooms, and temporary cooking stations. Powered by 4 built-in 4,000 mAh batteries, the unit delivers several hours of operation, depending on the selected fan speed, making it highly practical for portable cooking situations. The compact design helps save countertop space while still providing useful smoke and odor control during indoor cooking sessions. Equipped with 3 fan speed settings, the Airthereal hood allows users to adjust airflow intensity based on different cooking methods, such as frying, grilling, hot pot cooking, or sautéing. The large oil collection cup is another valuable feature because it helps trap grease and oil particles before they spread throughout the room, helping keep cooking spaces cleaner over time. The lightweight structure also makes the hood easy to move and store when not in use. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.